Hey guys, we're starting off our day with some freshly squeezed orange juice. We had a very simple breakfast at the hotel. Woke up, we are still in Nice, France, before taking a day trip to Monaco. We are in Monaco, finally. Voice is still raspy. These are the views of the city as we're walking up to see Princess's Palace. And this was the top of the palace. It was a little bit underwhelming just because there wasn't like a whole lot going on here. There was just a few gift shops. But we continued, walking along. We were looking for food at this point. We were so hungry. So we found some alleys that had some shops, that had some restaurants. We settled at this one just because, the food, I don't know. I'm not even going to get into it in this video, but we just wanted some familiar food. So we stopped by here and got some burgers. Do not judge. As we were walking around, we stumbled across this garden. It's free, and it was just so beautiful. It was massive. It's so big. It's along the coast, so you get amazing views of the water, and it's gorgeous, and it's so big. I didn't even get to explore everything that this garden had to offer. It was so hot. So I reached the point where I was like, okay, this is cute. I like it. I'm ready to get into some AC or sit in the shade. This is me. It is so hot. Beautiful. Downhill. I think we're going there to the city center. I'm not sure. From up there to here. And now we need to go back up there to the train station. We're trying to get back to the station. I think we're gonna have to take like those stairs all the way back up. The station is right here, the building with the V. Oh, sorry, there we go. Cough syrup,
cough drops, nothing at a grocery store. Like, back on the beach, last day here. We leave early tomorrow for Paris. Good morning. My voice is slowly coming back. We are heading to the train station to go back to Paris. 2 more days and then we are out. But Nice has been so nice. I'm trying to stop talking so my voice can heal completely.